Hello everybody, I am Dr. Nikhil Nasta, founder and CEO, Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. Today I am going to talk about a little complex, a little intimidating topic which is called age-related macular degeneration. We love our parents, we love ourselves. As we grow older, many of us experience some sort of reduced vision. This is because the retina, which is the back layer of the eye like a camera film, capturing all the images, there's a tiny spot there called the macula, which is the center point of all the vision. This gets affected because of aging. There are two types of macular degeneration which could happen. One is a dry type, one is a wet type. When we talk about the dry type, in the dry type the cells, there's a programmed cell death that happens which is called apoptosis. This is not in our hands, it's kind of an aging process, and because of this there's a loss of visual acuity right at the center. We cannot really do much to avoid this, to arrest this, or even treat this. If this does happen, the prognosis is quite bad. We can hold on to it with certain tablets, medications, which the doctor will give you, and a chronic follow-up. If you look at the other variety, which is the wet type of ARMD, ARMD is age-related macular degeneration. In the wet type, what happens is there is a blood vessel which is leaking. Like you have a leaking tap, there's a tiny leakage of blood coming from there, oozing slowly, and with time there's a membrane or a scarring that happens right at the macula. This is treatable. The visual prognosis is very guarded because they can go any which way. There may be temporary periods of good recovery, but the long-term visual prognosis is very guarded. When I say that, it means that we cannot guarantee how well the vision will hold up. It's depending from person to person and case to case. But definitely what you should do is go to an expert retinal specialist for the treatment of this. There will be multiple scans needed at each visit. The scans tell us at a microscopic level how badly is the retina affected, what layer of the retina is affected, and where exactly is that located. Depending on that, you could get treatment in the form of injections, you could get it in the form of lasers, and a last resort is surgery. I will cover this in my next video, so keep watching.